Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection. Make sure both earbuds and case are charged above 20%. Low power can interrupt restore. Next, keep your iPhone unlocked and Bluetooth enabled so pairing info is visible. Once done, leave the AirPods in the case and open the lid. This signals the device to accept commands. Now locate the setup button on the case back. You'll use it to clear the stored pairing and force the AirPods into setup mode. You proceed with the reset itself. Close the case, wait 30 seconds, and open the lid to ensure the system is idle. Press and hold the case button for about 15 seconds. The indicator will first flash amber as it clears settings, and then flash white when ready. This sequence wipes Bluetooth pairings and resets firmware-level preferences so the buds behave like new. Make sure to release immediately on the white flash. Holding too long won't help and may restart the cycle. You finish by repairing and verifying function. With the lid open and white light active, hold the case next to your iPhone and accept the on-screen setup. This restores connection and transfer settings. If no prompt appears, go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth and select AirPods Pro manually. If pairing still fails, make sure iOS is updated, toggle Bluetooth, or reset network settings. These steps often clear persistent issues. As a last tip, try a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.